Tuesday, 28th of June 2022, and the time is 10:39 p.m. Welcome to the New York session trade recap. So I come to the chart today at around 5 p.m. and immediately I go and do and mark the SNR level for H4 in the line chart. As you can see here, I have a support here. I still have this resistance zone here previously, and I have a resistance zone here also, and this is another resistance zone, and this is also another resistance zone. So these are the level that I marked for trade session today. And let's go to H1 for the SND level. Okay, so as you can see here, the zone that wasn't very clear in H4 just now is very clear on H1. This is the high liquidity zone where it's a lot of support and resistance is happening here. So that's why I keep this zone. So the SND zone like this. This is the supply zone. This is immediate supply zone for the current price, and this is the demand zone. So we go to M15 for the entry time frame. So when I came to the chart, I saw price is correctively going up after rejecting this demand zone, and when it reached the supply zone over here, it make a rejection twice. This is also a double, double top pattern. But the most significant one is the next trade setup that we're looking for, which is the break of structure over here. So I took this trade based on the H1 because on the M15 it's not very clear, but if you look at H1, the rejection bearish pin bar here is very clear. So I take this trade as the price goes up and making a break of this low wick of this H1 bearish pin bar candle. So this is the first trade I took, and let's go to M15 to see the price action, how it goes. So this trade was running pretty smooth, as you can see here in a lower time frame. It went to about, I think it reached the almost reached the SNR level over here, but I was aiming a little bit more. I think I was aiming here at that time, okay, at 1.3, because I don't want to cut my trade short today. So price went down. I was a bit confident and I was getting busy. So what I do is I actually moved this trade to break even over here. So I moved my stop to break even with a little bit of profit, and I was away from the chart for a few minutes. And as we can see here, price make I think I did aim a little bit more, I think. Let me check the journal again. I was aiming at the low of this week. Okay, yes, sorry, let me adjust this properly. I was aiming at the low of this week. Here was my TP. Okay, so I was aiming there, and I already put the I already put the trade to break even. The stop is already here. Basically it's like this. Okay, and when I was away from the chart, this is a rejection pin bar, and it make a pullback up, and it took me out from the trade just by a few pip. And as you can see here, it continued to goes down, and it almost, as per now, it almost hit my take profit. Okay, so I was out from this trade as a break even, and then I saw this rejection pin bar again. This is a bullish rejection pin bar rejecting the demand zone. So I took this trade, and I see that after I entered the trade, I was first aiming here. This is my target. So after I took the trade, I saw that there is a resistance here, and there's an immediate how to say supply zone, M15 supply zone over here. Here, then I decided to cut this trade because currently overall trend is bearish, so I'm trading against the trend, so I decided to cut this trade at 0.25% profit. So overall today is still a profit with very less profit because this trade went to break even and this trade is 0.25%. So that's it, the trade session for today. Quite a choppy price action. H1 is mostly bearish, but on our entry time frame is very choppy, so it's kind of hard to take a trade tonight. So that's it, the trade session for today, trade session review for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, and till then, take care and bye bye.